Здравейте, скъпи зрители! Тук съм с момчетата от Jimix, които са в България за трети път. Здравейте, Jimix! За мен е изключително удоволствие. Hello, Jimix!
Hello!
It's my pleasure to be here with you this night. As we see, you're going on steps not only as a music stars, you're going steps in movie stars. What is the feeling to watch yourself on a big screen? And what are your impressions from the movie?
Well, I was blown away. Simple as that. I'm blown away. I still have it in my hands, and I'm still shaking.
Under my armpit.
I'm gonna watch it every day, and I'm gonna show it to all my friends and everybody. It's incredible.
You haven't got any friends. You're gonna watch. You're gonna show it to me.
I got one friend. I got one friend.
Okay.
I pay him every day for him to be my friend. You know, I'm gonna show it to him every day.
Yeah, every day.
Would you like to be shot in a movie which is not related to you for the future?
Only if Angelina Jolie is in it.
Краси Панайотов е човека, който е снимал и направил целия филм. Здравей, Краси!
Здравей! Драго ми е да те видя.
Здравей!
На здраве!
Здраве!
Чудесна българска дума.
Изключително е как музиката може да те вдъхнови да направиш цял филм. Ти си творец не само по душа, ами това е част от професията ти. Би ли казал няколко думи за себе си?
За себе си. Аз съм човек на изкуството. Това е, което мога да кажа за себе си и смятам, че то е достатъчно. Jimix заслужават този филм. За мен беше удоволствие да го направя и сега в момента, в който виждам, че за тях беше удоволствие да го изгледат, значи всичко е наред.
А защо избра точно тях?
Защото са ми симпатични.
Като творец, художник, писател, музикант и със сигурност може би пропускам нещо. Би ли споделил коя е тайната на успеха? Открил ли си я?
Тайната на успеха, вероятно, доста хора са я открили, но аз не съм един от тях. И като казвам, че някои хора са я открили, аз далеч не съм сигурен в това. Така че успеха е разтегливо понятие и може би по-добре всичко да се сведе до това в една вечер като тази и всички да се чувстваме добре.
What do you think, Jimix? What is the secret of success? And do you think you find it already?
Personally, I think the secret to success is focus. You have to focus on what you're doing and dedicate yourself. Now, if you focus yourself and dedicate yourself, you will find success.
I'd like to add something, because what Bob Dylan said is you're successful when you are doing what you like every day. So we are already successful.
That's right.
So everybody who tries to follow his dream, is on the way to success.
Well, yes, I'm also blown away by that.
Yeah.
And by that. And by Krasi.
We're blown away by Krasi. Hey, Krasi!
Thank you!
You the man.
Thank you.
This night you played 4 new songs. Tell more about that and when you wrote them and what they're telling. What is the story of these songs?
Well, actually, 2 of the songs were old songs. At one point, we decided to do club rock, so we needed new songs for that. But the old songs, some of the songs we really like, and we thought let's change them into club rock, and then again play them.
I'd like to add something to that, because if you have a good melody, if you have a hit melody, it can be done in any style. So we believe we have great melodies. Our melodies are hits. So that means we can do them in any style. If we wanted to be a country band, we could do all of our songs in a country style. But we choose club rock. We want to play club rock, and so all of our songs can be done in the club rock style. Yeah.
Yeah, I think Dave is right.
I'm right. Of course I'm right. No country, no country. Schlager is a classic example because they have great melodies. It's just done in a cheesy way.
Absolutно. Tell me, what is most important for your personal motivation?
Oh yeah, well that's easy. We have each other. We have each other. We're from different nationalities, we're from different parts of the world, but we 3 of us already live in Cologne, and we meet almost every day. We play a lot of music together. When Matt is there, it's always nice. There's a harmony between us, and that's great.
G-Mix всеки път пристигат в България с някаква определена мисия и този път също пристигнаха със специална мисия. Във връзка с филмът, направен от Краси Панайотов, Споделена любов, Share Love. That's right, Dave.
That's what we're talking about.
Yeah. Както всички знаем, любовта е не за да я пазим вътре в себе си, а за да я споделяме. Същото правят и G-Mix. Thank you about this interview, G-Mix and Krasi. It was my pleasure. I wish you a lot of success and movies like that. And the power of love to be always with you.
Love power!
Love power!
Love power!
Na zdravie! Na zdravie!
You've been sad for too long, and it's breaking my heart. Gonna tell you what I see when you're up serving me. You're one in a million, my total fulfillment. I give you my time and space. The wishes will come true as soon as you're ready to.